Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to recover corrupted files in Microsoft Word. File corruption can happen due to various reasons, such as unexpected shutdowns, software issues, or even virus attacks. It can be frustrating, but there are ways to recover your files. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, click on the File tab. And from the menu on the left, select Open. Then click on Browse to locate your corrupted file. Select your corrupted file. Then click on this arrow here and select Open and Repair. Word will now attempt to repair your file. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the document and the extent of the damage. Once the document is open, check the completeness and save it to prevent any further issues. So let's close the document. So right-click on the file and select Restore Previous Versions. You will see here the previous versions. Just click on one of them, then click on OK. I don't have any previous versions, unfortunately. And now, to prevent future file corruption, enable autosave and backup options in Word. So go to File, Options, then go to Save, then check Save Auto Recover information and keep the last auto recover version if I close without saving. And here you can change the auto recover file location. And that's how you recover corrupted files in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.